Connor here, and today I'm going to be talking about some space facts about the planets and space itself, so let's get into it. The first one we'll talk about is the Sun. The Sun is 109 times wider than Earth and 330,000 times as big. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun easy. The Sun has been around for around 5 billion years already, meaning it's already used half the amount of its energy left, meaning that the Earth will be around for another 5 billion years. It's the thing that keeps us alive. We are actually the only planet within the safe zone. The rest are just kinda either too close to the Sun or too far from the Sun to have life on it. The first planet we'll talk about is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. This is a pretty interesting fact. I'm just going to have to read it for you, but a day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. That's more than half a year, but only 88 days to complete an orbit around the Sun, meaning a year is less than a day on Mercury. Mercury has wrinkles, so you can see how it's aged over the past 5 billion years or so. The next planet we'll talk about is Venus. Venus rotates the opposite way from other planets. Venus goes anti-clockwise. I'm not sure what caused this, but it's how it is. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system due to it having a surface area and atmosphere. The next one we should all be familiar with, as we've been there, but it's Earth. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing. The Earth formed probably about 4.5 billion years ago, it's estimated. The next planet is Mars. Mars has the tallest ever mountain in the solar system. It's called Olympus Mons, which is 3 times the size of Mount Everest, and you can actually see it poking outside the planet from a satellite. Space organisations send rovers to Mars in order to obtain research into the planet. The most famous rover, Curiosity, was lost in a dust storm. Mars has some pretty rough dust storms. There is no sign of water on Mars, although there used to be billions of years ago. The next planet we're going to talk about is my favourite, it's Jupiter. Jupiter has the shortest day out of the planets, having 9 hours and 55 minutes. Jupiter has a great red spot on it, and it's so big it could actually fit 3 Earths inside it. And it's also a storm that's been going on for 350 years so far. When the planet rotates, the red spot on it actually rotates the opposite way from the planet itself. Jupiter has 79 moons. Ganymede, which is Jupiter's moon, is the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn's the next planet we'll focus on. Saturn is the most distant planet that can still be seen with the naked eye. That means without using a telescope or some sort of device that can help you zoom into seeing the planet. Saturn has swiveling and oval-like storms similar to Jupiter. The next planet we'll focus on is Uranus. Uranus has 27 moons, it has 13 rings. It was discovered in 1781. Its nickname is actually the Ice Giant. Next planet we'll go on to is Neptune. It is the smallest gas giant out of all of them. That would be Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune itself. It is the most distant planet. There also is another planet after it, Pluto, but that's considered a dwarf planet. A year on Neptune equals 165 years on Earth because it takes so long to rotate around the Sun. It has a similar storm spot on Jupiter, although it has a few more than Jupiter. I just wanted to add in a little extra fact before I kinda stop the video. So the asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter, because that's what we're separated by, actually would have been a planet itself had it not broken up and made an asteroid belt. It would have been our biggest planet we ever had. That's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed, and until next time, take care, goodbye.